Alright guys, so in today's video we're gonna talk about the future of BONK Coin going into 2024 and the upcoming meme coin season that we are expecting by this year's summer. And as well guys, we're gonna be looking at some next supports on BONK Coin, as right now it's down almost 70%. And today we as well have a very important news coming out today that sent Bitcoin down. And as we were expecting on yesterday's video, the start of the year should be a bit volatile, especially this week we have that Bitcoin ETF coming. Anyways guys, we gonna get started with some technical analysis and see what to expect here going ahead in 2024 on BONK Coin. So if you guys enjoy these videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and let's get into it. So I want to start this video guys by addressing those that bought the top here. So I guess those people here are the people that feel the most pain right now, as they are down almost 70%. Now what I want to say here guys is you want to know that you are still early in the cycle. 2024 just started, and the overall view of this year guys is that we are gonna be heading towards a bull market. Possibly the last 2 quarters of this year are gonna be a bull market leading toward next year as well, and we're possibly looking towards 18 to 24 months of bull markets. So this whole thing here just means that you are still early, and if you bought the top here on BONK Coin, there is one thing you can learn from this is, as I've been saying on my channel previously, is never try to buy things that are hyped up and try to find those that are still at these stages. And I've been sharing few coins that were at these stages as well guys. I want to address those that are holding here, those diamond hands that did not listen to my message when I told you guys I'm selling 50% of my BONK Coin here, and I'm holding the rest as I got in way early. And the people that were following back in the days when I shared with you guys the video of top 5 meme coins, and as well the guys on the Discord. Now what should you do here? Should you sell or not here? Now the point here guys is I think most of the dump is done with here on BONK Coin. I think now it is pretty much done with, and most of the pain is over here on BONK Coin. And people who are holding here, most of the pain for those people are gonna be watching other meme coins or other coins pumping and BONK Coin just going sideways. Now I do think BONK Coin is gonna go through some sort of a winter phase or hibernation phase. Now if we go towards that daily, we can see now recently BONK Coin lost a quite significant support now here. Now we can see now we still have the daily candle to close, and if we do close here, then we possibly have some sort of a head and shoulder back towards the range, and then we could see some upside. But as I said guys, now I wouldn't be on that side that is thinking we are gonna see huge pumps on BONK Coin in the near future. Unfortunately, I do not think this would happen very soon on BONK Coin. Now on the bright side guys, we should know that 2024, as I said, is a year of a bull market, and we possibly gonna see a meme coin season by the summer of this year. And this is only based on the assumption that we found that every 150 to 225 days we do get a meme coin season in general, especially when we have those bull trends. Now this leaves us with around May, June this year, where we could see the next meme coin season, the next BONK Coin, the next Shiba Inu, the next Pepe coin. Now that's when it comes to the bright side. If you are still holding BONK Coin, that most likely means your money is not lost, and you're probably gonna have to wait a little bit longer, and then we could see the massive rallies on BONK Coin, just like what happened with Shiba Inu guys, since it got listed on that Binance exchange, and it took around 100 to 145 days for it to see new highs. That's possibly what we gonna see here on BONK Coin, which put us right into that summer. If we put around 150 days, it's gonna be around May, where we could see that meme coin season start, and we could see the same thing here guys. Back then with Shiba Inu started rallying, we started seeing many other meme coins. Most of the meme coins that we see here, top meme coins by market cap on CoinMarketCap, most of them are gonna start rallying by that summer, most likely, especially that we are going into that 2024 year guys, which is most likely a bull market or the start of a major bull market. Now this is when it comes to the long term here on BONK Coin and what to expect. And as well, I think people that are holding so far now, I think is a bit too late to sell. If you are thinking to sell or if you freaked out, if you diamond handed this BONK coin drop, so you might as well just keep holding. Now we do have some supports coming down here, but it is pretty much useless right now to try to find any supports or anything like that. Now it's just a simple technical analysis. BONK coin is down 70%. Now we could still go around that 75, maybe 80%. The same thing we've seen with Pepe coin since it got listed on that Binance. It dropped around 80%. Now this would bring BONK coin around these prices, and I think you guys that been following me for a while, you know about this prediction here. Now then we could see BONK coin going around that 70 level, but this does not mean this has to happen. We could possibly be already at a support, as BONK coin does not need to exactly repeat what Pepe coin did, and as well that we are now possibly entering a different type of markets right now, and that all means that we are possibly in a either at support or closing in into a support on BONK coin here, guys. And it just means if you haven't sold, it is a bit too late, and the only painful path here going forward on BONK coin is that you just gonna have to be waiting while other coins are pumping sky high, and BONK coin is not doing much, waiting for that to happen, as the same thing that happened on Shiba Inu, guys. Now that's when it comes to BONK coin 2024, what to expect, or at least what I do think could happen in my humble opinion, and as far as I've seen happening with meme coins in general, guys. Now I remember when I got into Shiba Inu back into this highs, and I held through these 150 days of that winter phase, and I was watching all other coins pumping, and I felt so bad about it. And then I seen Shiba Inu pull at 10x, and then I felt better pulling at 10x on Shiba Inu. Now that is the other way. If you are still a believer on BONK coin and you think BONK coin is gonna make the same thing that Shiba Inu did, which is pretty likely, guys, to if we see a bull market, we're pretty likely gonna see most of the coins listed on major exchanges rallying and taking out their previous highs. Now if you are on that camp, or if you're a true believer on BONK coin, I would be more looking into adding some more BONK coin just in case, so I do have more profits once we get that major rally, and not just be holding from higher here. And this would cut off some of the profits that I could have made if I bought more in the dips here. Now which brings me, guys, to one more important thing here in 2024. Now what we need to know here, guys, 2023 was a trader's year, was a year where you could be trading, and it was trader's paradise. In 2024, guys, I think 2024 is a investor's market. This means, guys, that diamond hands and people that buy the dips and hold and believe are people that are gonna make the most money in 2024. 2024 is gonna be a very, very wild year, and what we've seen today, guys, with Bitcoin dropping 5% in one candle, a lot of people were not expecting that. After we've seen this possible denial of Bitcoin ETF rumors coming out, now we're gonna see a wild year with a lot of ups and a lot of downs. That's gonna be so scary to many people, and usually traders, they get wrecked in these conditions and lose money, and those that have those strong beliefs, diamond hands, hold, are gonna be the ones making more money, and buying the dips gonna be a thing again, and we're gonna see everything starting to just go to the moon. And usually what most people learned from 2023 won't work in 2024. Now in 2023, a lot of people learned sell everything as soon as it pumps. Now I'm pretty sure a lot of people bought BONK here, and as soon as it did a 2x, they sold very quickly, thinking they were smart and they made profits, and then BONK coin rallied 200x. And the same thing happened to me with Dogecoin back in 2019. I found Dogecoin on Binance back then. I was looking for those low market caps because everything was pumping, and I was like thinking I'm smart. I found this low market cap Dogecoin. Nobody knew about it back then, or at least Elon Musk hasn't started talking about it yet. And I bought it, I made a 3x, and I sold. I was thinking I'm an expert right now, and then I've seen it doing 100x. Now a lot of people are coming into 2024 with this mindset of as soon as something pumps 2x, let's sell. Those people are not gonna make most of the money this year. Now 2024, as I said, is the year of the diamond hands, people that are holding, even if they see life-changing money in their portfolios, they are still holding. They're waiting for that opportunist moment to sell, and that's how 2024 is gonna be, and that's how the game is gonna be played on that 2024. Now, which, guys, it's very important here. If you are day trading, or if you are trading in general, if you are the guy buying and selling quickly for 20% or 50% or 2x's or something like that, you want to think of 2024 as the year of, you don't want to be doing that. Now in 2024 we're gonna see a lot of ups and a lot of downs, and sometimes we're gonna see a lot of big drops, and those are the ones you want to be buying the dips on, and you want to be waiting for top signals, and when Justin Bieber starts buying NFTs, and then you want to be selling, and possibly that's gonna happen either end of 2024 or mid 2025. But so far here, guys, 2024 is the year to be holding, and it's not the year to be playing around with the markets, especially if you are this early in the cycle. You want to consider yourself that whatever you're buying here today, even BONK Coin at $700 million market cap, it's very undervalued of what's gonna come. Now in the previous bull market, we got Dogecoin at $90 billion market cap, we got Shiba Inu at $40 billion market cap. We're probably gonna see BONK Coin at around 10, 20 billion, maybe even 40 billion. Pepe Coin, the same thing. We're gonna see Floki flying. We're gonna see all these things going sky high as the FOMO kicks in and people start scrolling in their exchanges like they are on some online store trying to buy everything they can, because FOMO is gonna kick in and they're gonna feel like they are gonna miss out, and people are gonna come in late, and most of these coins are gonna be worth billions of dollars in market caps, and people are gonna be starting to look for anything that is slightly undervalued and gonna start to buy it. So that is why it is still very early here, guys, and whenever you are selling something here, you're probably leaving a lot of gains at the table and you are gonna be missing out. So the game is changing definitely in 2024, and now we officially entered that buy big dips, hold. We are now in this era now. A lot of people were laughing at these people last year, the people that hold in diamond hands and did not sell anything, but now things are gonna change a little bit here going into 2024, going into that summer. As I told you guys, we're expecting a huge meme coin season. Altcoin season is coming this summer probably, if we keep going towards that bull trend. So people that are holding from here are gonna make most of the gains around here. Now selling anything in between is gonna be a real bad strategy in my opinion, guys. Now we're gonna wrap it up here, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful. Now, as I said, I think BONK Coin is probably closer to a bottom than it is to a top, and we could possibly see it ranging for a while going into the next meme coin season, guys. Now if you have any more questions, you can leave them in the comment section. You can as well join my Discord, link in the description. And as usual, guys, this is my humble opinion. Nothing is financial advice, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.